Okay. Hello. Welcome to Chuck E. Cheese. I div Dusty Divot. No one can take Dusty Divot apart from me, okay? How dare you? Are you a skull trooper? Are you a default? 200? How many? Oh, well done. Can you try and get at least 20 in this round? In this game? No, I mean like if you get more than 20, you're obviously a pro. You should see what type of lag I get. I don't even play on a gaming PC. HP one, if you must know. What? I'm a girl, not a boy. Did he? Oh. It's fine. It's okay. So do you think you'll get 20 kills if you got 10 on a solo match? Well, will you or won't you? Because like, if you do, well, good for you. Oh, it's just my friend whispering. Oh yeah, and my phone kept making a noise. I don't know. My computer does that by itself sometimes. It's very strange. Using a sniper. Okay, so where I'm guessing you are 12 years old. What's that noise? So, are you? But if you're a default, how are you good at the game? Because usually defaults they have like axes and stuff. I know, but if you're a default, you can get free pickaxes. Okay, and then which one do you have equipped? Oh, wow, you must be really good at the game. I've never got that skin before. Do you play on a gaming PC? Nice. How much was it? Sorry? 3,000? You must be rich. You must be rich. My PC was only £100. Are you a rich boy? Because you must be. Well, if you're rich, it doesn't necessarily mean you're spoiled. How many V-Bucks do you have?
600 right now. I only buy
I have 50. What tier are you?
27 right now.
But I thought you said that you just got a 10 kill game.
Yeah,
But then how are you only
20
tier 27?
because I need to complete the rest of my challenges.
Oh my god, what was that noise? Well, how do you know it's a boy? It might be a girl. Yeah, but a girl can be a boy default skin. Because you just assume their gender. How many kills do you have yet? I thought you were a pro. But I thought pros, they didn't camp in towers, they always went out and killed people. Hmm. I know, but you're sniping, which most of the time means camping. So you're camping. Yes, you are. So you're saying, well, good for you. Yeah, I know I don't. I never said that I was gonna get one. I swear the Skull Trooper is the new default skin. Because you see, I'm a real default, obviously. Oh my god, it's Zoe. Oh, someone killed her. Okay, go ahead. Boom, I have a kill now. I am just as pro as you. I am a pro now. I know, but I'm as pro as you were. Oh my gosh, I am so laggy. Well, good for you. Well, would you call yourself salty? Oh, so you're an honest person. You're gonna camp again. Pros camps, do they? So you're saying Tifu and people camp? Okay, tell me when they've camped before, like. Okay, well, I'm going to go now. Goodbye.